So let us begin our project. So you will see that here is a folder. I have kept it in my case on desktop only. You can keep it anywhere in your PC wherever you like. I have already downloaded the dataset. This link to dataset is available here. Uh, It is, sorry, yeah. So when you open this link, yeah. So here is the dataset on the Kaggle. You can download it from here. And since it is a huge dataset, I will not be downloading it now. That is why I have already kept it. So no issues on that side, okay? So in the project, I have here is my data set. It is about 6.6 GBs. So you download it and you keep it here. Now we'll start VS Code. To open the VS Code, I can simply type here code dot. Otherwise, I could have opened the VS Code and opened the file location also. No issues with that. So here is my folder. Here is my link to data that I had kept it in text form. Now, see, when I'm making this project here, my first job is to make an environment. So first of all, I'll open a terminal, new terminal. Now I have to make an environment, and in that environment, I'll be installing my libraries in that particular environment. So let us see how I do it. I'll be using the command prompt. If you are working in Conda or Get Bash, you can use some alternate, means the alternate codes for those. But overall, the target and the approach is same. We have to make an environment, then we have to make the notebook. So let us see this approach, how we can do it. First of all, we have to make an environment. So the code for that is, first we will write Python. We'll write the version -m and venv and name of the environment. I want the name of the environment to be ann_venv. You can use any name here. Python 3.10 is not recognized as an internal or external command. So what we will do, instead of Python, I will use py 3.10 -m. Same thing. Instead of Python, I will write py. I think it is regarding some path issue. So venv ann_venv. Did I make some mistake? Let me check it. No such file directory. There seems to be some issues because I think I am in OneDrive. Okay. No, it is, I had written the code a bit wrong. I will write it again. Py -3.10 -m venv and ann_venv. Let us see, did it work? I think it has worked. See, here new environment ann_venv has been created here. You can see it here, okay? Now let us, it is still creating, okay? We'll just wait for a second here. Okay, it is done. Let us check the Python version. Python --version. It is 3.11. It has not taken 3.10. I'll have to check it. Sorry, it's my mistake. No, I have not yet activated the environment. It is still, that is why it is 3.11. So my next step is I need to activate my environment. For that, the command is, first of all, I need to give the name of the environment ann_venv // I have to write scripts, again /activate. Now you see my ann_venv has been activated. Now when I check the version of the Python here, Python --version, I get Python 3.10.11. See why I want to use Python 3.10, because it is more mature and kind of it is a stable version of Python. And it has been extensively tested and it is widely adopted by the developers. And also it is highly compatible with machine learning libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, these kind of things. That is the reason we prefer Python 3.10 instead of Python 3.11. So now I have made my environment, I have activated my environment. Now next step is I need to install the IPY kernel. Because I'll be making my project in the Jupyter notebook, I need to install IPY kernel. Let's see how to do that. So pip install IPY kernel. It is working, it is installing. So first of all, first step is to install the kernel, then I have to add the kernel. We'll see the step means how to add the kernel also. It's a long line of command, but it's just a command. You can remember it or you can note it down somewhere. Okay, so see, it takes a little time to install. In my case, now it is completed. In your PC, depending on your PC speed, it will take some time. So we are done here. Now to add the kernel, just let us look at the command. So Python -m IPY kernel install --user --name ANN_VENV and --display name display-name Python ANN_VENV underscore KER kernel. This is the name I want to be displayed. Let us see if we get any error. Under unrecognized arguments ANN_VENV. Okay. Let me check it once. Here, I think it is happening because I put a space here. So I'll have to go back all the way here. Let me check it now. I think it is done. I think it is done now. So first of all, I'll make an IPYNB file in this project. audio classification, audio_classification .ipynb. IPYNB is the notebook. And in this, I need to select the kernel. So this I have pressed Ctrl+Shift+P. It will come developer reload window. Just click on this. So it will just refresh it basically, so that the kernels are this I have done so that the kernel gets detected. It is trying to detect kernel, it seems. Let us see. So first of all, I will import the libraries. So import pandas spd, numpy as np, import pandas as pd, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and import cborn as sns. See, here I have Python audio ANN. This is my kernel. Let us see. Okay, it has activated. It is working now. This one slightly it is confusing, but okay, let us go ahead with it. See, when you are working in Conda, it is not this much complicated. It is very easy in Conda. So you can even, means those steps you can follow in Conda commands. We will be focusing mostly on the code. So see, our environment setup is done. My this kernel has been installed. Now I can start working on this project now. Successfully, these libraries have been imported. Now, in this audio classification project, we will be using a very interesting library that is called Librosa library. Now, every for processing audio, for extracting features from the audio, we need this Librosa library. So import Librosa and import Librosa dot display. So Librosa library has been and this has been taken. Okay. Now let us have a look at the dataset. What kind of dataset actually do we have? See, the audio data, the file that we had downloaded from Kaggle, it is in this form. It is having folds, means the whole data is divided into some parts, that is different folds, and each fold is having this data. And when I run it, it will have some voice, some sound. You might not be able to hear it, but it is a dog barking sound or some bullet sound, that kind of sounds are there. And all the information about that sound is given here in the metadata. This is called metadata. This Excel sheet is having the information of all this audio. See, it is given me the slice file name, this FSID start and salience fold, in which fold it is there, class ID, and this class. This is dog barking, children playing. Already these are the labels. Class is the labels. So this is the information that we are having. So how do we use this in the project? That we will see now. So first of all, we will load the metadata. We'll see what exactly is available in the metadata. We had directly opened the Excel, but let us load it here also. So metadata equals to df pd dot read csv, and I have to give the location of the file. How do I get the location of the file? I'll simply come here, I'll copy this .csv. Let me see if it worked. There are other ways also, I'll show you. But let me see whether this approach worked or not. So metadata, it has not yet worked actually. It is showing this now, so that means it has not worked yet. See, other option is that you go here into your VS Code itself, come here, and you can copy the path from here also. Just copy path from here. Let us go back here. Okay. Say I terminate this. Metadata equals to pd dot read csv. I think it is the same. It has to work actually. It should work. Okay, let us wait for some time. If some error comes, I'll see what is to be done for that. For some reason, it is taking a lot of time. Let me try something else. I will try to reload it. Let me see if it works now. Still it is connecting to kernel. Syntax error, can't code. Okay, I have to put R here because now let us see. Okay, it seems it has worked now. See, initially I was giving the whole path. Right now I gave only directly from here only. Both are fine actually. Say if I given it the whole path, let us see what would have happened. See, then also it has read it. And if the first step that I was doing after copying, that also was working. Simply I have refreshed it and now it has started working. Must have been some issue. So we have here metadata. So this is the information in the Excel file as the metadata that has been given to us. That is the name of the file, the FSID, not sure what this is, folds, class ID and class. So we'll see how to work with this. So let us conclude this video here. Next thing we'll see in the next part, next step, wherein we will be processing the audio. Means we'll be taking the audio, we'll be extracting features from that audio. Thank you.